Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it. I'm back again. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. But on the nose, me have to run out for my subscribers, So today, I'm going to give a shout out to Kimona Peso and Peter Grant. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Guys, if you want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. Right, I subscribe in the comment section and watch my video for more than 5 minutes and you will definitely get a shout out. Anyway, my people, wanna need to hear this. So my people, after yesterday, it came out in the article that Alice said when Crop Circle open the next week, Thursday, she will definitely return back. Well, the mayor run out and the mayor said, Alice War will only return to Crop Circle as a customer. When I hear that. So the mayor of Kingston, Delroy Williams, says the female vendor whose conduct triggered the closure of the chain of food stores known as Crop Circle will not be returning to the location when it reopens on November the 23rd. The vendor, Alice Waugh, was caught on camera wiping her bum after defecating inside her stall. In a newspaper article published by the Star, Miss Waugh told journalists she'll be returning to her usual spot as she has bills to pay. So I say, oh, Alice, she a little bit enough out of order. She run go tell the Star that. So she will be returning because she have bills to pay. Boy, the mayor see that and run out and said, no, Alice, the only returning is as a customer, darling. So I don't know what is going to happen to Alice. Alice, maybe you have to go just stay home and just cook from your house. And that you have to go do, darling. That's the only thing. Because I don't think nobody will go eat from you. Maybe people in your community or maybe your family. But nobody, no, everybody has to them now buy from you. So, darling, if I was you, it better you just do your cooking from your home and sell from your home. I don't know. It's just an advice me I give you. And don't make the world know. Oh God. Why? But Alice, you should have know better because them tell if you come go for training, don't it? And you take show off and say your head did that hurt you and you not go for no training. Plus, you say you can cook, you don't need certificate. Remember? And that you say, you know. And that you say, Alice, you have to remember the things them, you know. You have to remember the things them, Alice. Alright? Anyway, my people, wanna tell me what you think about this. Put on your honest opinion in the comment section. Wanna need to hear this. School closure, my people. The Ministry of Education and Youth has ordered the closure of schools on Friday. A measure it says is to prioritize the safety of all students and staff as the island continues to be affected by significant rainfall associated with a weather system passing over the island. Okay, my people? So no know say a whole heap of flooding are going. Whole heap of flooding. Let me just show you a little clip of it. There you go, my viewers and subscribers. You can see that the place is flooding out. Even some school also are flooded out. So this is why they ordered for the closure of school, because it is not safe. Some of my Jamaican people them will tune in to this channel. Wanna be safe. Keep safe, all right? And bless up. Keep safe, my people. Anyway, wanna need to hear this. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says, although body-worn cameras are important, they are not a top resource priority for the police at this time. Dr. Chang was pressed by journalists at Wednesday's post-cabinet press briefing to explain the delay in outfitting members of the constabulary with the devices. Earlier this month, the Independent Commission of the Investigations, INDICOM, called on local law enforcement officials to urgently fix the issue of lack of body-worn cameras during operations. Okay, my people, let's talk about this. Let's talk about Horace Chang, because it look like Horace Chang, she still asleep. Me telling you, Horace Chang, they don't care about us. They do not care about us. And this way Horace Chang just utter in mouth tell the Jamaican people say, hey, uno de pound own. We not care about uno. How the hell you come say, even though the camera them is important, it's not a priority for the police and a priority for the police, but a priority for we the Jamaican people. Hey, you see when I see this in the article, I say me have to run out pan this year. Because you see when I come out and tell you say Horace Chang and Andrew Wallace not care about the people, they really don't care. Listen, this is a top priority. The body-worn cameras is a top priority, because whole heap of time the police them a keep up with them foolishness. Let me tell you that. A lot of time the police them are going with them foolishness. You understand me? A lot of time. So me want to know how comes to keep the public and keep the people them safe. This is not at a priority. Horace Chang, you know so you have to resign. Horace Chang, you need to resign. You need to resign. The body-worn cameras is a top priority for the people. You understand? Because enough time the police, them I do things as well and I get away with it. So they're supposed to wear body-worn cameras. They're supposed to have cameras on them body when them are deal with the public. And INDICOM asks for it. So why you Horace Chang now want, hey, brother, you need to go get them. You need to go get it, because the only things you keep up. That's why I'm telling you, That's why I'm telling you, this shoot to kill business with Horace Chang come up with, a killing you want to kill off the people them. A killing you want to kill off Jamaican people. You don't say what go on. This alone tell you no. So this man know say the lot of the police them in the police force is unruly a lot of times. And I like say him no know that. Everybody know. Even a blind person know and see that. So them unruly. So all the hell now, listen. It now, remember, Horace Chang, you come out, and you say shoot to kill. Now is the best time for the police them wear the body-worn cameras. You understand? So they not just come say they not go kill people and then come say people shoot off of them. The body-worn cameras, we prove it. It's a proof. It's evidence. And we need it. These people, if you hear Horace Chang out of the mouth, you see me read it too, no? And this is what he said, the one Horace Chang. And if you not get up and start a protest and not try to do something for the future of our kids, as they reach certain age, the police are going to kill them off. Me not say kids not do wrong things, not get me wrong, but to the rate Horace Chang talk about shoot to kill, and on top of it, I can't talk about it's not a priority. Hey, this get me really upset. Me not telling no lie. This get me really upset. What do you mean, Horace Chang? What do you mean? The body-worn camera is there too. Is there as proof, as evidence. It is a priority. It is a priority. My people, me go read some comment, because me get this far out of the article, and me go read a comment where somebody say underneath the article. Hear this. So one person commented and said, so why were they implemented? Yes, they are a priority for the citizens of Jamaica. Maybe your role is no longer a priority and you need to retire from your position so that Jamaicans can feel safe in their homeland again. This person is right. This person is saying maybe Oris Chang role is no longer a priority. You understand? And I know maybe him role is no longer a priority. If he resign, him need to resign. This young lady is right. You understand? We want to feel safe in our homeland. This is true. And then you have Horace Chang now. When we don't know which part him come from, and every day in a parliament asleep, just come out. He always asleep and then he just wake up and just come out and talk some foolishness. Hey, Andrew Wellness. Them are sitting here, Andrew Wellness, no see, you know. And then him talk about Horace Chang is doing a wonderful job and Christopher Tufton is doing a wonderful job. And when people lick out against them, you have some people come out and run off their mouth. And I can't go and like say, Andrew Wellness, I do, hey, listen, me no want no come over here and run off on the mouth. I come talk about Horace Chang I do good and Horace Chang and Andrew Wellness and Nigel Clark I do good. Can none of them not do good. None of them not care about us. None of them not care about the Jamaican people. Can you imagine? My viewers and subscribers, me really want your phone views on this, you know. Because can you imagine Horace Chang? He's a deputy prime minister as well, you know. Not only a security, I can't believe this man is a security minister. Uno look on him good. Really, Andrew Wellness? Really, right now, you make this man a security minister? Me tell you no say them always come up with some things. It's just then just start the talk and do not walk the walk. Then just come up and say them a implement something. So we feel good. And then finish what them say them a do. I saw them steer. Me people, me want your phone views. Yeah? Put on honest opinion in the comment section for me there. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, a big warm welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.